In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on your Kia Soul. It's located behind your glove box. Start by pressing your button and opening up your glove box. Then you're going to see this panel up top here, and you're going to pull down on that. Now you're going to want to pinch this right here on both sides and then pull out. So pinch, pull out, and that's your door for your filter. And your filter's right there. So you're just going to pull this out. Like this. And clean out inside if there is a lot of debris. Also make a note of the way the filter came out. Make sure you make a note of where the arrow is. Now let's put our new one in. Insert your filter. And push it in. Once you have it in place, you're going to put your cover back on. Line up these tabs with where they lock in, and then press. Make sure you're locked in, and now we can put our cover back on. To do that, you're going to insert these 3 tabs right there and push up. Now you can close your glove box.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.